welcome to the North Manila Boulevard. Cynthia speaking. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Agent 31962. I'm calling you from the Senseless Bureau. I just need a couple seconds of your time to answer a few questions for your country.
Not a problem, sir.
Ma'am, if you don't smoke, drink, or eat unhealthy, do you know that you will live long enough to one day be a burden on your loved ones?
Yes.
How many problems do you have?
I'm not sure.
Are you not sure about how many problems you have because maths is one of them?
I can't count.
If guns kill people, do pencils misspell words?
I'm not sure.
Why is it that everyone driving faster than you is considered an idiot and everyone driving slower than you is considered a moron?
I think maybe I want to drive alone.
Do you usually go to work when you are sick because you want to bank your sick days for when you are healthy and just want a day off?
Yeah. If I really know that they need me and it's busy, then I say, no, let me go because I know we're going to be short and it's busy.
Did Adam and Eve have belly buttons?
I'm not sure. What can I say?
Can atheists get insurance for acts of God?
I don't know.
What word starts with F and ends with uck?
I'm very sorry. Whatever I think, but I cannot say it.
Why not? What's wrong with the word fire truck?
Damn.
From Canberra, the ABC's political correspondent Ken Begg reports.
Today's count puts the likely state of the parties in the House of Representatives at Liberal National Country Parties 90, Labor 37. Now, included in Labor's 37, the seats appear likely to stay with the ALP. Without the seats are Victoria and Grey in South Australia.
Well, poor old Ken's having a bit of competition there with his report from Canberra.